Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable the Ask Before Displaying Images feature in Gmail on your PC. By default, Gmail automatically displays all images in your emails. However, if you want to have more control over the images that are displayed, enabling this feature can be a great option. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to enable Ask Before Displaying Images in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. On the top right corner, click on Settings. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Click on See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. Scroll down and locate the section labeled Images. Next to it, click on Ask Before Displaying External Images. That's it. You have successfully enabled the Ask Before Displaying Images feature in Gmail. Now, whenever you receive an email with external images, Gmail will prompt you to choose whether you want to display them or not. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials on Gmail and other tech-related topics.